Yo, what is up everyone? It's Your Name. If you've ever snapped an incredible photo or put together a stunning video and thought, I could sell this, you're absolutely right. Welcome to our guide on the top stock photo and video websites where you can sell your work. First up, we have Shutterstock, a powerhouse in the stock photo and video world. With a vast library of high-quality images and videos, it's a go-to resource for many creative professionals. If you're just starting out, Shutterstock is a fantastic option. It offers a supportive environment for beginners to grow and thrive. They boast a massive user base, which translates into a higher chance of your work getting seen and licensed. This can be incredibly motivating for new contributors. Navigating their platform is a breeze, even for those new to the whole stock game. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Uploading your content is straightforward, and they provide a clear breakdown of your earnings. This transparency helps you understand your progress. One of the things I really appreciate about Shutterstock is their contributor resources, including helpful articles and a dedicated forum. These resources are invaluable for learning and improving. So, if you're looking for a user-friendly platform with a vast audience, Shutterstock is definitely worth checking out. It's a great place to start your journey in the stock content world. Next up, we've got Adobe Stock, a platform deeply integrated with the Adobe ecosystem. This means that all your favorite Adobe tools work seamlessly with Adobe Stock. If you're already using Creative Cloud apps like Photoshop or Premiere Pro, you'll find Adobe Stock to be an invaluable resource. Adobe Stock is a no-brainer. It integrates effortlessly, allowing you to search, preview, and license assets directly within your apps. It's built right in, making it incredibly convenient to buy and sell stock content without leaving your workflow. This saves you time and keeps your creative process uninterrupted. Since Adobe Stock is part of the Adobe family, your work gets exposed to a massive audience of creative professionals. This can significantly boost your visibility and potential sales. They offer competitive rates, and you get to keep a significant portion of each sale. This makes it a lucrative option for creators looking to monetize their work. So, if you live and breathe Adobe products and want a seamless stock experience, Adobe Stock is the way to go. It's designed to make your creative journey smoother and more efficient. Adobe Stock is the way to go. It's the perfect companion for any creative professional looking to enhance their projects with high-quality stock content. All right, let's talk Getty Images. Getty is known for its high-quality, exclusive content attracting a premium clientele. We're talking big-time publishers, advertising agencies, even global brands. They offer some of the highest royalty rates in the industry, meaning you earn more per download. However, Getty Images has a rigorous selection process and only accepts a small percentage of submissions. If you think you've got what it takes, go for it. One thing to keep in mind is that Getty Images often works with exclusive contributors. It's a trade-off, potentially higher earnings, but with some limitations on where else you can sell your content. Moving on, let's dive into Pond5, a platform that's a haven for video creators. They have a massive library of stock footage, motion graphics, music tracks, and sound effects. One of the coolest things about Pond5 is their flexible pricing model. As a contributor, you get to set your own prices for your work. Pond5 has a global reach, so your work has the potential to be seen by a wide audience of video editors, filmmakers, and content creators worldwide. So if you're serious about selling your video content, definitely give Pond5 a serious look. Last but not least, we have iStock, a platform owned by Getty Images but operates a bit differently. Unlike other platforms, iStock offers a unique approach to contributors. iStock is known for its two main contributor options, Essential and Exclusive. Each option caters to different needs and goals of the contributors. Essential contributors have more flexibility in terms of where they can sell their work, allowing them to distribute their content across various platforms. However, they typically earn lower royalties compared to exclusive contributors. This trade-off is something to consider if you're looking for higher earning potential and are willing to grant iStock exclusive rights to your content. Becoming an exclusive contributor can be lucrative. Exclusive contributors often see higher returns on their work. This is because iStock prioritizes exclusive content giving it more visibility and marketing support. iStock also has a strong focus on quality and relevance, ensuring that the content meets high standards. They provide detailed guidelines and feedback on your submissions, helping you improve and succeed. So if you're confident in your ability to create exceptional visuals and are looking for a platform that rewards exclusivity, iStock is definitely worth considering. It offers a unique opportunity for those willing to commit to exclusivity. With its focus on quality and higher earnings for exclusive content, iStock stands out as a top choice for serious contributors. All right, everyone, those are some of the top stock photo and video websites where you can sell your work and potentially earn some serious cash. Remember, each platform has its pros and cons, so it's all about finding the one that best aligns with your goals and creative style. Thanks for watching and happy selling.